Island, which is in the Bay Islands just off Brisbane. This is our Bristow design. This is 7 days into the construction so far, and they've got the frame inspector coming today. So an engineer will come out and make sure it's all been tied down correctly and all the right amount of screws and strapping's been used. Have a quick look through. So this is on an elevated floor system. We've used board piers. So board piers with bolt-on posts, bearers and joists. Nice simple system. The 150 bearer and a 120 joist. So it's a nice little 2-bedroom house. Open plan living with the highlight windows in the middle here. And great view overlooking the rest of the island out to the water there. So yeah, nice little spot. Great little house. We've got a lot of natural light into this house, so there's all these highlight windows up here all the way along. And open plan kitchen as well.